All right, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants here in the Bethesda office. And I am so excited. We have Ashley here with us. Ashley, first of all, love the smile, love the hair. I saw you a little over a year ago. You looked very different, and we will put up the before pictures. But tell me how the year went. Tell me how you like it. Tell me everything.
Okay, I love it. The year went by very, very fast.
Yeah.
Like first 2 weeks, I'm gonna say that was the roughest part of it. But after that, everything went by like very fast.
Good.
I'm just excited. I'm glad that I did it.
Yeah.
And I would have did it sooner.
Oh, that's what I thought when I did mine. That's what most people say as well too. Did other people notice? Your husband, friends, family?
Yeah, my husband noticed. So before I was just like gelling, like swooping my hair down to kind of hide it. But my sister noticed, the kids noticed, people at work noticed.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Good. Whenever you come back, it's always the smile gives it away. That you know, it's fantastic. So do me a favor. I'm gonna have you just kind of look down for me and then hold it for like 1 or 2 seconds. And you had basically nothing there before. And again, we'll put up the before pictures. All right, look back up at me and then pick a side, left or right. And then hold it. Yep. Oh, man. That looks fantastic. Woo! And then other side. Love it. Wow. And any problems with the scar in the back? Any issues with that?
No, my hair has grown a lot. I'm going to say like 3 or 4 inches, probably more than that.
Yeah.
So I can tell.
Good. So how has it changed? Have you been able to kind of, were you wearing wigs before? Have you been able to change your hairstyles? What has it sort of done for you?
So before I was wearing like a lot of braids and then just gel my hair down and kind of feel it. Yeah, so now I'm able to wear my hair without having the headband on the front.
Yeah.
So I'm very, very excited about that.
Ponytails, you can go back to ponytails now when you're working out? Yeah. It's awesome. It's awesome. Fantastic. Ashley, it looks fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully this inspires somebody else out there. Please keep in touch. Send us pictures and postcards. And I love it. It looks awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.